morning. I am Sheila Rebecca from GK Jain School. Today I am going to teach for 2nd standard. The topic is Our Sweet Home. Lesson 1. Okay. You know what is sweet home? Home is a place where you live with your happy family. Who and all is there in your family? Your daddy, mummy, brother, sister and auntie, uncle, grandfather and your grandmother. And then tell me what are the rooms are there in your home? First is the living room. In the living room, what you'll do? The TV is there. You watch the TV and you sit and learn in the living room. Then we move on to the bedroom. What you'll do in the bedroom? You must lie down and sleep in the bedroom. Okay, don't go anywhere out and sleep on top of your house and all. You sleep in your bedroom and lie down at night time. Then what room is this one? This one is the kitchen. Kitchen, what you'll do in the kitchen? Your mummy will cook food in the kitchen with the help of the stove. And what room is this one? Restroom. In restroom, what you will do? You wash your face, brush your teeth, you have a bath in your restroom. Now I'll show one picture and tell me the things what you see in the living room. Okay. Thank you. In this bedroom, you see some things are there. See, look at the picture carefully. What are the things are there? Clock is there, then cupboard is there, cot is there, pillow is there, night lamp is there, and a cradle is there. Why this cradle is there? For what they are using the cradle? For small babies. The babies, they lie down the cradle and they sleep. Okay. Then we'll go on to the kitchen. In the kitchen, you see some things are there. See, the stove is there. Stove, they'll cook the food. With the help of the stove, they'll cook the food. And then the mixie is there. Next to the stove, the mixie is there. So, you'll grind the coconuts in the mixie. Then the grinder is there. The grinder is there. So you will grind the flour for the dosa and idli. You grind it in the grinder. And then next to the grinder is the dustbin. Dustbin, you put all the waste things are there in the dustbin. And then the sink is there where you wash the plates and the tumblers. All the dirty vessels you wash in the sink. And the plates are kept arranged in the cupboard there. You on top of the cupboard, you see the plates are arranged on the cupboard. Next we move on to the living room. This is the living room where you watch the TV. In the living room, what all the things are there? Television is there, window is there, and then door is there, chair is there, and sofa is there. Then we move on to the restroom. In the restroom, you have the brush, towel, soap, mirror, wash basin, tap, mug and bucket is there. These are the things will be in the restroom. Every day you must clean up your teeth with the help of the brush. And then have a bath with the help of the soap. Use the bucket and the mug always, and after having the bath, wipe your body with the towel. Okay. These are the things. Now learn all these words thoroughly and write 2 times in your rough notebook daily. Okay? Thank you.